Is your iPhone struggling to connect to Wi-Fi even though other devices are working fine? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through quick fixes to resolve your Wi-Fi issue on your iPhone and get you back online. Step 1 is to juggle Wi-Fi off and on. Start with the simplest step. Open the setting app and go to Wi-Fi. Toggle Wi-Fi off, then you wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Then try reconnecting to your network. Step 2 is to restart your iPhone. Restarting your device often fixes minor connectivity issue. Turn off your iPhone, then you wait for about 10 seconds and turn it back on. Step 3 is to forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. If your iPhone won't connect, try forgetting and rejoining the network. Go to the setting app, then you go to Wi-Fi. Tap on the eye next to your network and select Forget this network. Reconnect by selecting the network and entering your password. Step 4 is to check your router settings. Your router may be limiting connections. Restart your router and ensure it's not set to block your iPhone. Check if your router's firmware is up to date by logging into its admin panel. Step 5 is to reset network setting. Go to Setting, then General, then you go to Reset and reset network settings. A reset can fix misconfiguration setting. Note, this will erase saved Wi-Fi password, so be ready to re-enter them. Step 6 is to disable Wi-Fi Assist. Wi-Fi Assist may switch you to cellular data unnecessarily. Go to Setting, then you go to Cellular and scroll down to juggle off Wi-Fi Assist. Step 7 is to check for interface. External factor like other device or work can disrupt your Wi-Fi. Move closer to the router to reduce interference. Disconnect other devices temporarily to test the connection. Step 8 is to update iOS. Software updates often address connectivity bugs. Head over to the setting, then you go to General. Then you click on Software Updates and install any latest update. Step 9 is to try another network. Test if your iPhone can connect to a different Wi-Fi network. If it works, the issue may lie with your home network settings. Step 10 is to contact Apple support. If none of these steps work, it might be an hardware issue. Reach out to your Apple support or visit an Apple store for expert assistance. And that's how you troubleshoot Wi-Fi issue on your iPhone. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.